Up first this evening, the police say the Honda Accord, which was involved in last night's deadly crash along Marcus Garvey Drive near Industrial Terrace, Kingston, was being driven by a 16-year-old boy. The driver, Demar Patterson, was among 4 persons who died in the crash. Anthony Lugg reports.
A group of people look on as firefighters attempt to remove the occupants of a silver Honda Accord along Marcus Garvey Drive in Kingston early Saturday morning. TVJ News has learned that the vehicle with 4 passengers aboard collided into a utility pole shortly before midnight on Friday. Corporal Patrick Watson of the Kingston West Police was among the first responders.
When we got here, we saw the vehicle on the sidewalk between the light pole and the fence, extensively damaged. 3 persons were inside, pinned. There was a crowd here as well with motor vehicles parked up. Persons were trying to take the injured persons from the motor vehicle. That proved futile.
It's still not clear what led to the crash. However, Commanding Officer for the Public Safety and Traffic Enforcement Branch, Senior Superintendent Gary McKenzie, sought to provide an update this afternoon.
What happened is that when the vehicle reached at the intersection of Marcus Garvey Drive and Industrial Terrace, somehow the vehicle lost control, or the driver lost control of the vehicle, and it collided with a utility pole. As a result of that, the 4 persons that were in the vehicle, they were injured. They were taken to the hospital. Unfortunately, all 4 of them died.
So far, 3 of 4 victims have been identified. They are 23-year-old Javane Dove from St. James, 18-year-old Krishana Ellis, and 16-year-old Demar Patterson from St. Catherine. We understand that the 16-year-old was the driver of the vehicle. Our news team visited the family of Demar Patterson. His father, Dave, says the family is struggling to cope.
And it hurt me so much, so me lose a son like this. Right now, part of me gone. I just have to beg God to give me mercy and strength to carry on. The full understanding that I get from it is that he went to a party with friends in Kingston. So on his way over back, there was an accident and other people die and him end up die. Because them say when the accident, he was the only person in the vehicle that was alive at the time. So they tried to take him to the hospital.
The twin brother of Javane says he was also invited to the event, but he declined the invitation.
If I did, I not tell that, say I'm not even feel a voice to make no move, isn't me? Like me feel it, isn't me? Cause you can feel that, Maybe sometime I you it go up and down, sometime I know you have somebody close, isn't me? But as me say, me feel somebody close me and me, isn't me?
Up to April 22, the country recorded 131 road fatalities. Anthony Lugg, TVJ News.